Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first video about the technical in general, and the automation field in particular. In my channel, I want to give you guys who want to have an overview of the definition, working principle, and application of the devices and systems in reality in a simplified way. Okay, the topic today is about PLC or Programmable Logic Controller. You can hear about it a lot, but maybe you cannot imagine what it exactly is. Simply, it's just a controller that can be programmed. So what are the things that this device can control? And how? Here I will make an example for a clear illustration for you guys by corresponding to the human body. PLC in a system plays a role as a brain in the human body. They both control the actuators. In the human body, actuators are arms, legs, fingers, and more. In the system, it could be a motor, cylinder, heater, indicator, and a large of other stuff that applies in the manufacturing. So when do these actuators work? Of course, it cannot be executed without any reason, right? Therefore, the satisfaction with some of the given conditions will allow them to work. Imagine when you come to a restaurant for dinner and all the food is set up on the table in front of you. So what are the conditions to allow you to eat? The first one is the food is good looking, the second is it smells good, and of course, the music is not too loud, right? So where you get this information? Exactly, through human senses, including sight, smell, and hearing. Now, it looks like a system. We have input, process, and output. Corresponding to PLC, inputs are sensors, like pressure, temperature, humidity, similar to human senses. The process is similar to code which is programmed, and the output, which was analyzed before. Here we can have a conclusion that the basic system includes three elements. Input supplies the information for the process which determines whether the satisfied given conditions or not, and the output is the execution of the result of the process. Okay, now, how can we convert our requirement to code, or in other words, how can we program? To PLC there are variable programming languages like ladder diagram, structured text, function block, sequential function chart. But in this video, I will use ladder diagram as an example. Here we have a requirement, an automatic water pump system for the tank. It has a float to control the water level. The method we apply to transfer to ladder language is using conditional sentences. If the water in the tank is shallow, the float is activated, start pump. If the water in the tank is full, the float is deactivated, stop pump. Okay, so here is ladder diagram for this requirement. This is the output for activating the pump. Add a float signal as normal open contact here. The order of ladder diagram is from left to right, the top to the bottom, and repeats the cycle. So if we put a normal open contact here, the flow cannot move to output to start the pump. It means when the float is activated, the line becomes closed, and the pump starts. Okay, that is all about PLC, so if you have any questions or recommendations for my channel, please comment below. Like and subscribe to support me in the next video. Thank you guys, see you in the next video.